here's a topic that's really going to get your attention. Prosecco and sweets. Chocolate. Can you really lose weight while eating this stuff and drinking this stuff? I cannot count the amount of times I will sit down with somebody and talk to them and they'll be like, come on, can I really have Prosecco? Can I really have alcohol? Can I really have chocolate in my diet and lose weight? Yeah, you can. At the end of the day, guys, the fundamentals of fat loss, superseding everything, is a caloric deficit or an energy deficit. You give your body less calories than it needs per day. That's how you lose weight. Where those calories come from makes a difference, but not to your weight loss. If you are looking to purely just drop weight, fill your calories up with whatever the fuck you want. So if you want to have a whole bottle of Prosecco, if you want to have a whole packet of Oreos, then be my guest. But be warned, there are consequences. For you see, if I was to consume 2 of these, it would amount to about 90 calories, which is about the same as a glass of Prosecco. However, let's say that I'm a man on 2,500 calories. 90 calories, not really going to make much of a difference to me, so of course I can have a good diet made up of good fats, good carbohydrate choices, and good proteins, and healthy, leaner choices, if you will, and I can still make room for this kind of stuff. But if you're a woman, your calories are much lower. Sorry girls. So chances are that's going to be a bigger percentage of your daily caloric allowance, and you're going to use up a lot of it having this kind of stuff. So can you have it while dieting? Of course you can, but the lower your calories are, the harder it is. And particularly, the more of it you have, the harder it is. I talked about 1 glass of this, which amounts to about 90 calories. You want to have 2, that's 180 calories. That's about the same as a Mars bar. You want to have a whole bottle of it? Christ, how many calories does that contain? You see where I'm going with this? Yes, you can have alcohol, yes you can have chocolate, and yes you can have sweets, because it all amounts to calories. But the most fundamental thing that you need to do to lose weight is maintain a calorie deficit. And if you use up all of your calories on shit, not that it's shit, but you know what I mean. Use up all your calories on the bad, the naughtier food choices, then you're not going to have many calories for foods that are actually going to make you feel full, and therefore you're probably going to get hungry, you're probably going to eat, you're probably going to go over your calories, and the vicious circle all starts again. So, can you have chocolate and booze while dieting? Fuck yes you can. Should you? Yeah, I'll leave that up to you. Have a good day, folks. So by this point, if you aren't already raiding the biscuit cupboard and you're not already knee deep in Prosecco and beer, then please feel free to click the share button down here and tell all your friends. Tell all your friends that they don't have to diet on rabbit food, celery and hummus. They can also have good food in their diet, as long as it's balanced. Guys, thank you ever so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video.